Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful videos. In this video, we will learn how to make learning Hindi fun, especially for kids. This is for both for kids and adults. If someone is learning Hindi for first time, this course is good for those people, let it be kids or adults. You can learn it the fun way, which will make us not go through the monotonous routine of learning it the traditional way. See here, we have made learning numbers a little bit fun by making it a caterpillar shape. It goes through like a caterpillar, where kids will look at it as a funny way to learn the numbers. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 numbers which you can show the kids and make them learn. So please try this innovative idea. You just need to use the cardboard or the carton box from any of your electronic appliances. Just cut it as a rectangular shape which is up to the length of the caterpillar. You make a small round which has the marker. With the marker you can make it into a smiley, and or each and every number you can make it as part of its body. And each is a round made out of normal A4 sheet paper and written with acrylic paint. You can have the legs of the caterpillar here, which will look like something original, and you have grass coming out of the bottom where the grass is used to walk for the caterpillar. So this way it makes fun reading. Learning becomes more fun. Thank you. My kid loved a lot learning with this method, and she will be using this in this video to show how she used to learn this. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a great day.